கை கோர்த்து தோளும் தந்த நீயும் என் தாயே, எனது உலகை அறிய வைத்த என் தெய்வமே.
We all have come across some angels in our life. They may not have evident wings or wands, but they still create magic in us, hold our hands, and help us upraise every time we fall. That's obviously our teachers. Today on September 5th, we the students of 10A is here to repay our teachers with thousands of wishes and tons of gratitude. Let's begin this day by linking ourselves to God Almighty.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurureva Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva, Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Sahana Vavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurume Deva, Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini, Vidyarambham Karishyami, Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day to honor the memory of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who remained a great teacher in spite of all his achievements. Now Vaishak is here to expose ourselves to this irreplaceable gem of our nation.
Hari, today is a very special day for all of us, as we celebrate one of the most finest and beautiful day of the entire year. Yes, I'm referring to Teachers' Day. Today is the day in which we express our love and gratitude to our beloved teachers who have been guiding and inspiring us to become the best versions of ourselves. During this current situation of pandemic, our teachers have been working tirelessly without losing hope, without losing spirit to provide us knowledge. Let us all appreciate our teachers for taking the time and pain to teach us and for mentoring us in these difficult times. Every year, September 5th, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers' Day across the country. A great scholar, philosopher, and Bharat Ratna recipient, Dr. Radhakrishnan is the first Vice President and the second President of independent India. During his tenure as President, students and friends requested him to celebrate his birthday. He replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th was observed as Teachers' Day." Since then, his birthday has been celebrated as Teachers' Day. Who is a Guru? Gu means darkness and Ru means dispeller. A Guru is the one who dispels darkness and points the way. A wise man once said, "A teacher is the one who makes himself progressively unnecessary." This means that a true teacher makes us independent and confident. Again, let us take this opportunity to express our love and gratitude to our beloved teachers, who are our second parents. A teacher is the best gift a student can have. Thank you, teachers, for becoming a major part of our lives and providing us moral values which we will hold on to for the rest of our lives. It is what will be guiding us in the difficult situations in the future. They say experience is the best teacher, but for us, having you as a teacher is the best experience. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Vaishak. Shiva, the creator and destroyer, movement and tranquility, light and dark, and man and woman. He is the Adi Guru, Adi Yogi, Vairagi, and the ultimate outlaw. Dakshinamurti, an aspect of Shiva, is believed as the ultimate Guru, the embodiment of knowledge and personification of ignorance. His own form as the divine cosmic dancer, Nataraja, is regarded as the Lord or King of dance. Dance is a strong magic, a spirit, a hidden language of the soul, and a way of life. Now let's invoke Mahadeva through the spiritual practice of dance.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gururdevo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Namo Bhutanatham Namo Devadevam Namah Kala Kalam Namo Divya Tejam Namah Kama Bhasmam Namah Shanta Sheelam Bhaje Parvati Vallabham Neelakantam Sada Tirtha Siddham Sada Bhaktaraksham Sada Shaiva Pujyam Sada Shura Bhasmam Sada Dhyana Yuktam Sada Jnana Dalpam Bhaje Parvati Vallabham Neelakantam Smashanam Bhayanam Mahasthanavasam Shariram Gajanam Sada Charma Veshtam Pishacham Nishesham Pashuna Pratishtam Bhaje Parvati Vallabham Neelakantam Parninaga-kande bhujangardanekam galerundamalam Mahavira-shuram khadi-vyagra-charmam-chita-bhasmalepam Bhaje Parvati Vallabham Neelakantam Shira-shuddha Ganga Shivam Vamabhagam Viyatirgakesham Sada Mam Trinetram Paninaga-karnam Sada Balachandram Bhaje Parvati Vallabham Neelakantam
On this Teacher's Day, we interviewed some of our friends with a really challenging question. But it turned out that everyone had a great deal to say. Now it's time for us to witness this thought-provoking segment.
We asked some of our friends what would life be without teachers. Let us see what they have to say.
That's hard.
Never thought of that before.
Thinking about it, life would be pretty bad. I wish that's not happened.
Life would just be so different than how it is now.
To be honest, they're the pillars of the world, because without them, the world wouldn't be what it is today.
How could possibly even school exist without them? And if it does, it would just be bizarre. Basically, they're the ones who inspire us and motivate us to be ourselves,
Even if we are bad at studies, they won't just leave us, but they will be with us throughout until we achieve our goals.
In a child's life, other than their parents, they're with their teachers the most part of their life.
If if we take a moment to look at our teachers, we just get so inspired by the way they motivate hundreds of children within their lifetime.
They were never told to do so, but they were doing it from the bottom of their heart till now.
I really don't know whether they're aware of how they helped me out of all the days I have been through.
They're the ones who has been there as a soft, gentle hand to always trust on and hold on to, like whenever we feel down, and they can never be paid back for what they have been doing all their life.
Teachers, being the real unsung heroes of this crisis, is really a motivation for all of us. On the behalf of all the students of our school, some of us are here to convey our boundless love and gratitude to all our beloved teachers.
Now let's all take the pledge.
Pledge. We pledge allegiance to the flag of Bharat, under which we stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all our tendencies and false values, within and without us. We live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is the devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat.
It takes a whole lifetime to thank all the teachers who have imparted not just knowledge, but the real values of life. To extend a sincere gratitude, I invite Aparna for the word of thanks.
Hello, respected Principal Madam, Vice Principal Madam, Academic Coordinators, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Albert Einstein once said, "It's the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge." Today we are celebrating this art and those artists. We are the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, the hope that gives us the strength to survive. They are our beloved teachers. We call them our second parents. They teach us how to be a good human beings. Because of them, we are able to build a strong foundation on top of which we build our life the way we want. On this very special day, I feel it's my great pride and honor to thank all our teachers, the guides, motivators, role models and whatnot. Next, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our loving and respected Principal Madam, supporting and encouraging Vice Principal Madam, caring and guiding academic coordinators. Next, I would like to extend my thanks to our parents, the driving spirits and all my dear friends. Dear friends, let us respect all our teachers for their sacrifice in making every one of us great personalities for the future. Thank you. Hari Om.
பார்த்து